Why you have no views on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you why you have no views on TikTok. So let's begin. So in this video, I will be explaining to you the reasons why or what are the reasons behind the zero views on TikTok. So the first one is to go ahead on TikTok and make sure that your posted video is on the public. So for example, I'll just record a video right here. So I'll just record one, click on the check mark right here, click on next, and then make sure to choose the who can watch this video. Click on it and click on everyone instead of only me so that the public or anyone can see your video. So you may go back right here. So I'll just go back and then go to your profile. And what you're going to do is to make sure that your account is not on private mode. So go to the three lines found on the upper right corner and click on settings and privacy. And then go to privacy and make sure that the private account has been turned off. So again, make sure that the private account option or feature has been turned off. So to do that, click on a toggle button and then your account will be private if this button will um if your this button is turned into green, and then it is turned off if your button will turn into gray like this one. So that's it. And again, if it still doesn't work, what I would suggest is to go to your video and then go to the three dots right here and copy the link and share it to your friends, or also you may share it through Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram as well. So that's it. That's how you have no views on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.